What is up, y'all? I'm Benjamin Outdoors, and this is my channel. Sorry, y'all, it's been taking so long to get this thing done. But I finished out the weld and the sanding on the frame. It looks pretty good. It's ready for powder coat. And so I'm about to tear this whole entire thing down to try to get it sent off for powder coat. Disconnect the bar control. Now to pull the throttle body off. This goes to the throttle body position sensor, I guess. And one injector. Two injector. Okay. One coil, two coil, three coil, four coil. Not sure why one coil plug is white, but this one goes to underneath this exhaust valve thing. Undo the plugs over here. Yes, green one. This stator, this oil sensor one probably. This two-prong plug, blue and gray over here, it goes into here. Four-prong goes down to the brakes, I think. This was ground. This was positive. The wiring harness and the battery tray box. So I pulled the wiring off. I got the intake boots covered up so nothing gets in the valves, as well as some paper towels in there. I'm probably gonna clean the motor when I pull it out, but I gotta drain the oil and coolant so I can get ready to drop the motor. And then hopefully I can take the frame, wheels, subframe, swing arm, cases, and upper triple tree all to get powder coated this week. Subframe's off. About to drain the oil, and it really sucks because I just did a oil change, and so I'm going to try to reuse the oil. Since this is new coolant, I'm going to try to save as much coolant as possible. These exhaust bolts are pretty bad, so hopefully these things come out good. Okay. I just beat my 22 on there, see if I can get that engine mount off. Golly. The 2009 fit the 23mm fine, yet the 2012 with the same frame for some reason needed to use a 22 that needed to be beat onto it. And I think I just ruined it. But honestly, at this point, I'm done with that piece of crap. It's frustrating that the 23 does not work. The 23mm that worked on the 09 does not work on the 2012. So I'm gonna have to take this 22mm and destroy this engine mount. Ooh, frick. Okay, here's the engine. Here's the piece of crap bolts that got stuck on there and the ones that broke off that I'm gonna have to sit there and weld. And there's these stupid engine mounts. I had to damage it to get it off. So frustrating, because look, that fits inside of the 23 no problem. These, it didn't. I had to put the 22 on it. And these are 2012. This is from an 09. It came out perfectly fine with the 23mm. Anyway, I'm gonna get this motor up there so I can sit there and weld on it, and I'm gonna finish breaking this down real quick. Oh, shit. This motor is heavy. So I got the entire Gixxer stripped down. There's the frame, swing arm, subframe, rims, and I have a few more parts to get powder coated. Basically everything else is in this box. So I'm gonna take that to get powder coated here soon. I'm sorry that I haven't been posting much, and I actually realized a lot of the bike rebuilders on YouTube are not posting right now. Like Reese from Built from the Bottom, Rob from RK Motorsports, and even Gareth Collins. I think he did like a house move or something like that, but I guess we're all really, really busy right now, and hopefully we can start posting again because I know y'all are wanting content. So anyway, y'all stay tuned for the next video.